is the Google Translate widget automatically popping open on your Webflow site, disrupting your visitors' experience and cluttering your design. Don't worry, this is a common issue with a simple fix. We'll get your website looking clean and professional again in no time. First, open your Webflow project in the Designer in the Navigator panel on the left. Locate and select the body element. This is the main container for all your website's content. Once the body element is selected, look over to the right-hand panel and click on the Settings tab. Scroll down until you find the Custom Attributes section. Here, we're going to add a new custom attribute. Click the plus icon to add a new attribute in the name field. Type exactly data-wg-translate-widget-initialized. Now, in the value field, type false. Make sure you've typed it precisely as you see it on screen, all lowercase and with the hyphens. With that attribute added, all you need to do now is publish your website. Click the Publish button in the top right corner. Confirm the publish to push these changes live. And that's it. Your Google Translate widget will no longer automatically open, ensuring a seamless and professional experience for every visitor to your Webflow site.